What's up, guys? This Intense Investor coming at you again. Hope everybody's having a great evening. Well, it's evening time here on the East Coast. I don't know what time it is where you're at, where you're tuning in from, but I wanted to talk a little bit about this cryptohopper bot that I've been using. I've been using it pretty heavily from September 7th to right now today, which is the 16th. I'm on their homepage right now. As you can see, it's a world-class automated crypto trading bot. You can copy traders, manage your own accounts, use market making, exchange market arbitrage, and simulate or backtest your trading. You can do fast automated trading and portfolio management for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and 100 other cryptocurrencies. So I'll just go through some of this. I'm using the automatic trading, so I'm using the bot. I'm on the Hero subscription now, which is the highest subscription. But it'll trade for you 24/7, 365 days a year. It does trade on the crypto market, so yeah, you're trading 24/7. It's not like the stock market or the Forex, which is 5 days a week, and it takes the weekends off. That's one cool thing about crypto trading. But it's got a lot of features. I mean, like this Telegram trading, which I don't really do that. It's really fast. Like the Hero subscription, it does like 2-minute technical analysis on. I'm trading 43 different cryptocurrencies on it. I was trading 50 something, but some of the coins, they don't have as much market volume as some of the top coins. So I kind of downsized my list. I only got 43 on it now. But let me go through the pricing. So I started with the free package. I think it gives you 20 positions. Then I tried the Explorer package, which was a free trial. That's $19 a month. It gives you 15 selected coins, 2 triggers. The technical analysis it does every 10 minutes. So I was like, what the heck? I was using the Killer Whale strategies. They work really well. Just the way they're set up. I'm also a member of that Telegram group. But the guy there, Dylan, he's really great with his instruction on how to set everything up and getting you going. But anyway, yeah, I skipped from the Explorer to the Hero package. It is $99 a month, but there's I think there's like if you type in summer sale, it is a promotion. It gives you like 50% off, I think. So instead of being like $1,200 a year, it'd be like, I think I paid like $600 or something. But you can trade up to 75 coins with that. But a lot of these coins, and some of them don't got a lot of market volume. It depends on what exchange you're using. Maybe Binance might have a little more volume than KuCoin, but I use KuCoin because they got a really low maker-taker fee. And you can use a minimum of $2.50 a trade. So starting out, that's really nice. But I will also leave a referral for both of these for KuCoin and also for the cryptohopper. And another thing too, if you're looking for a no fees way to buy fresh crypto, you should use crypto.com. I have used the Cash App a couple times to buy some Bitcoin, but even that's kind of expensive with the fees. But crypto.com, you can buy fresh crypto without any fees. So I'll leave that referral in my description if you'd like to check it out. Works really good though. And then once you buy it with a debit card, you can transfer it right to your trading account and get it in your account, so it works really well. So when you first get your hopper set up, there's this marketplace you can go to, and you gotta download a template. So I use Killer Whale. You click these off. Just leave the template on there, and then you'll see all the different templates. So like I'm using KuCoin USDT base. That's the template I used. And then if you click off that, click on strategies. I'm using all these right now because I'm using Algorithmic Intelligence, which lets you use multiple strategies, and then it scores each strategy and gives you a percentage result of your best strategy and then the average of all of them. So I'm using all these, and then I'm using like some other ones. But to start out, like, you should just start out with the Explorer Hopper. Excuse me. Just start out with this one. Put 15 coins in it. Get the template. Get the template and the strategy set up. You can even use signals too for some of these. Like, I think this is a good one right here. I saw another YouTuber, Arium Victoria Alpha. It's supposed to be a good one. I saw another YouTuber reviewing it. So, and you see they're different prices and everything, but you can look at the reviews. Some of them got different reviews. How people liked them or didn't like them. But anyway, I just wanted to give a little crash course here. Cryptohopper has tons of documentation on how to set everything up, how to set your APIs up with your exchange account. Just a crazy amount. Like, I keep finding things like a month later that I didn't see before. And there'll be multiple documentation on the same topic. Like, you just have to really search it to find it. But it's there if you get to searching. But there's a lot of good stuff. I'll show you some of my results that I've been getting. Pretty crazy. I mean, this is my live account right now. You can see I got 1,892 is what's on the exchange. But I started at $1,824. And see, I got $481 available, and I've got 2,000 invested. So that's quite a big increase in my profit there from just like September 7th to September 16th. You can see, like, yesterday I had 223 buys, 234 sells. It'll give you like this breakdown on everything. I'm trying to get this profit stats to come up. Anyway, so I got 1.67 average profit, and it shows you like the most traded coins, the average holding time for each coin. I got someone here that go into like the days, because I don't like to sell with a loss, so I just hold on to them because they always go back up usually. There it is. Okay, so like I started with 1,824 and I got 2,000 invested. So this has been compounding on itself every day. So just imagine if I'm averaging 1.67% every day of, if I'm able to trade most of this amount every day or even more than that, then it's just compounding on itself, right? And I've only had like $7 in fees since September 7th. And I mean, let's see, I got this other spreadsheet. See, since the 7th, I only had 5 trades because I was kind of getting everything configured and figured out. And that was my average profit a day right here. This theoretical profit has to do with the position. Say if I had a $100 position, then I could make probably that much a day in this theoretical profit column. Like, say if I had 200 position, then today I would have made $564 if I had $200 positions, which that's a lot. You really need to pick your coins wisely because you get more risk the bigger amounts you start trading. Like, if you're only trading the minimum on KuCoin, which is $2.50, you don't have to worry about it. as much, because losing 250 versus 200 in a position is a lot worse. But see, I had 196 trades. That's because I was running a lot more coins also. So I went from like maybe 56 coins down to 43 right now, and these are like your top of the market coins. And I'm trying to stay over $500,000 in market volume in a 24-hour period, because I noticed once you start getting under 100,000, especially, you don't really got you don't really got much volume in the market. So the coins, if like Bitcoin goes down, they just crash. But like some of the other ones like ETH, it's affected by Bitcoin, but not as much as some of like the really small crap coins. There's another word for them, but say like the crap coins, they just go down and they just hit rock bottom, and they'll stay like that for a week, like minus 30%. But then like XLM or Dash or Link, they'll go down, but not as much as some of those really crappy coins. So that's why you need to be selective with the coins that you choose in your hopper. And that is when you go to config, base config, you click on this coins and amounts, and you see the selected coins. You pick them out of here, click them, and then they come over to this side. As you can see, I'm trading $15 a position. The minimum's $2.50 because the exchange minimum is $2.50, and my max in my account that I want to trade, I just put $2,200. So if I ever get up to that amount invested near $2,200, it'll tell me, it can't make it can't buy any more positions, and it'll warn me about that. But yeah, it's a good program. I'm going to go back to this spreadsheet. So you can see as I've been tweaking it, I've been able to push out more trades every day and still keep about the same percentage profit. I want to at least be 1.5% or higher, because the higher percentage here than your number of trades, it just multiplies out and it gives you a higher profit. So my actual profit, has been like past 2 days, $28 and then $23 today. So all that's getting rolled back into the account and getting invested. I want to get it to a point where it's like a passive income where I can just take out USDT, and transfer it right to my bank. That's what I want to do, after it goes through the exchange. But, I like playing with this number too. It's kind of fun. You get like, say like $141 with $50 position. Even I've been like $70, 50, 60, which that's a good size, $25 position. I mean, that's pretty dang good money. And then this other spreadsheet, this is like all my trades, just so you can see the proof of how much I've made with this thing. You can see like on the 7th, see I got all the dates from when I pretty much got started, from the 7th to the 16th, and a lot of these dates at first were with a free account, and then I transitioned over to the hero account. But all I do is I just select all these columns. You go up here and hit filter, and it'll give you the option. You can filter these by whatever date. I don't know how familiar y'all are with spreadsheets, but so what I did, this was the position of my order value. I multiplied that times my percentage, and that gave me the result of what I ended up with after the sell. So then you scroll down, so you can see over there on the left, I'm going down in date. Keep going. I'm just gonna go down a little quicker here, but I just wanted you to see, like, you can see everything I traded. I mean, it's all transparent. It's no gimmick, it ain't nothing crazy about it. Straightforward trading, that's it. So these are all my profits here. Let's see, 13 cents, 18 cents. See these 18 cents, you start getting over these $10 positions, you make 1.84, that's 18 cents at one trade. Right here. See, look at that, 3% on $7.86, 25 cents. Look at this, 36, 23, 24, that's over $1 just right there. Like, bam. So you can see how this really adds up. And it's a volume thing, it's a numbers game. So overall profit, $121, 998 sales. And I did this earlier today, so I've actually had more. Total average 1.64%. And I get that by just summarizing this whole column, this K column. See how it just averages everything. And the count feature, I can count and get the count. And that's 998 sales. And from September 7th to the 16th September. So that's awesome. And this is my profit here, $121. So anyway, I'm gonna go back to the dashboard. I just wanted to show y'all my profit and everything. So I am running an algorithm intelligence. It's not artificial intelligence. It's an algorithm intelligence. I named it HAL 9000, after the old science fiction film. I just thought it was funny. But a lot of the young millennials or Gen Z, they don't really know about that movie. But you'll probably remember this picture right here. See, that's all HAL. So I'm running that one. And, you can go in here and see I'm running multiple strategies in the AI right here. And then you can go to the training. You can train every coin group. You can train all the strategies in your AI and see it gives you a result. Like the average score of my AI is 76%, which ain't bad. And then it scores your buy score and the sell score of each strategy. You can go to config. I like to validate my signals after 1.5 days. If they've had a 2.5%, rise or 2.5% fall, it'll check that, and then it'll rate those signals against the signals that your strategy gave to buy each position. Neutral signals, it says they're really useful for like when you're using a signal in your strategy, like a signal from another person. And this person's like sitting there all day just sending out signals on what to buy. So you can let that be a part of your, say like right here, signalers, you can hit select. And if you got that one, like I showed you earlier from the marketplace, you can put it in there and you can actually use that. But, there's a lot to see in this configuration. And it had me all messed up when I first started, but like when you go to this marketplace like I showed you, and after you download that template, it'll show up this market template. See, it'll show up in here. I never use this one. I just use the killer whale template. But click on the KuCoin. So you got to pick your exchange. Just remember that, and it'll show up the one you downloaded from the marketplace. Just make sure you get the right one that matches your exchange. And then in the strategy, I was using algorithm intelligence, but see, these are different ones. See, I got all of these loaded, like I just showed you that list. They are all loaded inside this guy right here. Now, if you don't have the hero account, you can't use the AI. You got to have the hero account to use the AI. So if you don't, you got the explorer account or the adventurer account, you can only use one of these at a time. But I can use all of these if I want to, but I try to be picky with what I use in my AI so it gives a good result. You just don't want to, it's kind of like a garbage in, garbage out. You don't want to feed it garbage because it's going to give you garbage back. So you want to feed it good information or, a good strategy, and then it can rate the signals that it gives out, and it just performs better overall, as it goes on in time, But they got a lot of little cool things in here. They got their own apps. I ain't set none of these up yet, but you know, you got this auto sync, new assets as positions. You got these mobile apps. You can do Twitter account, Telegram bot. The group that we got, the Killer Whale at Telegram, the guy that's over the group, his name's Dylan, and he's always tweeting or telegramming his results from his hopper. So it's pretty cool. You know, you can send those messages to your own Twitter or Telegram, and then all your followers, they can see what your results were. You know, like it'll say like so and so just traded 30% or made a 30% profit on, you know, XLM or XRP or BTC or whatever. But there's some pretty cool stuff here to see. But they got an academy here. It teaches you about trading, documentation, questions. I'm going to find those codes in case any of y'all want to sign up, you know, for your own hopper. You know, it's good to start with the Explorer so you can get a feel for it. But you can use that code. I think it'll give you at least like 50% off or something a month. But I recommend buying it for the whole year, because if you do that, you know, if you only buy it for a month, you get that 50% off versus getting it off for a whole year. You know, you really save a lot of money, because this is something you're going to be using once you get it set up, and you're not just going to turn it back off. It's really cool because you're putting your money in KuCoin and it's trading it directly for you. It's not like you're paying somebody else to trade the money. You just pay for the subscription, you set everything up, get a good strategy, a good template installed, get all your settings right, and you can go to trading. But cryptohopper has been around since 2017, and now it's 2020, so 3 years. They've had really good success. They have a big following. I think it's one of the most complete trading bots on the market. There's a couple others, but they're not as user friendly. You know, they don't give you all the options that cryptohopper does. But yeah, check it out. I'm gonna make some more videos on how to do certain things in here, but that's about it for now. But y'all have a good evening. Thanks for tuning in to my YouTube. Be sure to like and subscribe my channel. I do appreciate it, and y'all have a good evening. Thank you.